Hi guys, we're with me and Trivia. How's everyone doing? I hope you have a good day. In this video, I will show you how to make your Android look aesthetic with new Gen theme. This time, I'm using Samsung A31. Next, I will add some widget. Just press the screen and touch widgets. Find video widget and set the transparency. The icon that usually Now, I will add some photo using simple photo widget the whole look of my phone after the makeover. You can apply it on your Android if you like. I hope this video would help you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next content. See you.